Hello everyone, I'm Shayla. Welcome to my cooking channel. I cook different type of food. If you like to support me, drop a comment, like and subscribe. Thank you. Hello my family, welcome back again to our channel. Today I'm going to prepare mashed Irish plus beef stew and some veggies. You can see here I have sukuma wiki or the spinach. Here I have beef. I've already marinated it. Here I have fresh coriander, tomatoes, onions, carrots, green pepper, and here I have our Irish potatoes. It's what I'm going to begin with to cook. Follow me on how I do it. So I'm going to cook the Irish until it's nicely soft, then I mash it. So I'm heating this saucepan. I'm going to fry the meat. I'm going to tell you what I used to marinate our meat. I used olive oil, black pepper, soy sauce, salt and garlic. So now I'm going to just fry. Follow me on how I'm going to cook it. I'm going to add some oil into the pot. I'm now going to add the meat. Now on our beef, I'm going to add onions, then I'm going to add green pepper. Now I'm going to add tomatoes and carrots. Now here the tomatoes are ready. I'm now going to add some water. So I'm going to leave it to cook until it's soft. Now I'm going to cut the spinach. Now at this point we are going to fry the greens or the spinach. Our pan is already heating. Just going to add some little oil. Then I'm going to add the spinach. And I'm going to add the onions on top. Then I'm going to add some salt. I'm just going to steam it for 5 to 10 minutes, then it will be ready. Now our spinach is ready. I'm now going to just mash the Irish. So I'm going to add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. And I'm going to also add some milk. Now you can see our Irish is nicely mashed and it looks so yummy. Here I'm going to chop the fresh coriander so that I'll add it into our food. Now you can see our beef stew is ready. It looks so yummy. I'm just going to apply some fresh coriander, then I serve our food. If you have been following me up to this stage, that means you have liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe. In case you missed out any information, just check on the description below. Thank you very much for watching.